What's up? We're Achievement Getter.
And we're here to show you how to get the Italian Plumber achievement in Dying Light. What you want to do first is find this house, because it's on the map. That means that there's got to be a wrench in it.
The specific house.
Yes,
this very house.
Very house, because the wrench inside this house, it's the one you need to get the Italian Plumber achievement. So just...
It is the exact one.
Yeah, just check everywhere in this house. It's bound to be somewhere in here. And yeah,
every
get all
crevice?
Every crevice, every nook, there's a wrench. There it is right there.
There it is.
That's the adjustable wrench you need. Make sure it's adjustable. If it's not adjustable, then you've just been gypped.
You're just doing it wrong.
Now we have a wrench, so zombies.
So, yeah. So what are you doing here exactly?
Okay, here you found the wrench. You got the wrench, everything's good, but the game isn't sure that it's the right wrench. So what you have to do is start smashing skulls with this thing so that you can register for the game that you have the Italian Plumber wrench. Otherwise,
so this whole process is, it's like confirmation that you have the wrench. It's like, yeah, game, I got it.
Exactly. Yeah, that way you can just start beating skulls, and then 5 or 6 zombies in, I think, is enough. But there have been instances where it didn't work for me still. This was like the 5th or 6th time that I had to do this. So it's just
it takes a while. You got to be very precise with it.
Oh yeah, yeah. And once you get down to 1 zombie left, just take your time, you know? Do exactly what they say.
No rush.
Just, yeah, bash their fucking skull in, just like that. It's perfect. And there it is, Italian Plumber.
There you go.
Pops for you.
Obviously a reference to Sonic the Hedgehog.
Of course it's a reference to Sonic the Hedgehog. I mean, what else could it be? Oh, you also have to make sure you get bit right there, otherwise it'll redact the achievement. So
that is critical to the achievement.
Highly critical. Second bite's not necessary, but it definitely helps secure it. And that's how you get Italian Plumber.
And we're Achievement Getter.
And that's how we get it.
And we'll see you next time.
We're such fucking nerds.